Take a moment and look at your hand. 5 fingers, each with a purpose. Now imagine the wing of a bat, or the fin of a dolphin, or the leg of a horse. At first glance they seem completely different. One for flying, another for swimming, and the third for running. Yet beneath the surface, their bone structures are amazingly similar. This idea is called homology. Across thousands of vertebrate species, we find the same basic design. An upper arm bone, 2 forearm bones, a set of wrist bones, and 5 fingers or toes. Each perfectly made for its function. A hand for grasping, a wing for flying, a fin for swimming. Is this repetition just a lucky coincidence, the result of separate, random events that just happen to lead to the same solution? Or is it proof of an intelligent designer, a skilled architect who uses a single, smart blueprint and adapts it for every need? Think about a car manufacturer. They don't invent a new chassis for every vehicle. They use a proven platform and then change the body, engine, and features to build a sedan, an SUV, or a sports car. That's smart design. That's efficiency. This idea of a single blueprint goes far beyond bones. Consider the basic processes of life. The way our cells divide, how they make energy through cellular respiration, how genetic information is coded in DNA and turned into proteins. These processes are identical in almost all living things, from simple yeast to complex humans. The genetic code is a universal language. The molecules we are made of are basically the same. This amazing consistency doesn't point to a messy trial and error process, but to a fundamental system, a set of rules and building blocks that were set from the very beginning. As if all life was built from the same smartly designed Lego blocks, arranged in endless patterns of beauty and usefulness. Now, think about how an embryo grows. From a single fertilized cell, a process unfolds. Cells divide, move, and become specialized, guided by a complex genetic program. Tissues and organs form in perfect, timed order. The heart starts beating at just the right moment, neurons connect, and the eyes form with their complex lenses and retinas. There's no room for mistakes. The smallest error would be a disaster. Can a blind, aimless process achieve such a level of precision, over and over again, in billions of organisms over millions of years? That's like expecting a handful of sand thrown into the wind to build a perfect sandcastle every time. The evidence for a master plan behind all of this is overwhelming. As if the creator made a master template for vertebrates, and then adapted it with divine wisdom for every habitat and every challenge. The eagle's wing and the human hand are not the result of 2 separate, random journeys that miraculously ended up with similar structures. They are variations of the same idea. Adaptations of a single, brilliant concept. This is not the mark of chaos, which would leave a trail of inefficient, mismatched solutions. This is the mark of a single, organized, intelligent mind. A creator who is both an engineer and an artist, painting the amazing diversity of life with a consistent and purposeful palette.